Let me share my own, my own awakening, in the sense that there was a time in my life, 10, 15 years back, when I used to think that why is there so much of talk about gender issue all the time? And I then started looking for some data on this. So the first problem is the organizations don't track data very effectively. For instance, how many people went on maternity leave, how many came back, how many stimulated, and over what time frame, who stayed on and who didn't. So we started tracking data, and much to my surprise, unpleasant surprise, I may say so, I found that there was a declining trend in terms of total headcount of women, and then I came up against what I think is the biggest stumbling block to ensuring that we have 30, 40, 50% participation, or we have inclusion in gender terms. More compellingly so, it is to do with the mindsets of different levels of leaders in the organization at team member levels onwards. And that is the conclusion I have come to after 32 years of work. So there is a serious issue, and I have seen it across organizations, that despite all the good intentions that exist on this subject, much more can happen if you simply put some serious targets around this at different levels of the organization and start measuring. As a premier organization of the country in the banking sector, it is an opportunity for us to take a position on this and possibly, do much more than what is possibly seen as acceptable, or today that what we are doing to push this agenda seriously. From a HR perspective, there are a few stress tests that we do very religiously and regularly. That is to say that in a particular grade, what is the average salary between men and women? What is the average rating? What is the average promotion percentages, and so on and so forth? And I'm very happy to share with you that there's nothing that we can pick up to see that there's a discrimination that we are witnessing in terms of the salary increases that the men get versus women. It's practically the same. It's a decimal level here and there difference, but and similar for the promotion percentage. In fact, promotion is a little higher for the women. But the basic fundamental issue which can be the game changer in this is that you have to ensure that it's a funnel. Whatever are the set of people who come in at the junior management will go to the middle management and will go to the senior management. It's a simple thing. You will do a bit of a lateral hiring, but you cannot do so much of lateral hiring to sort of skew try to bridge the difference that you have today. We have about 21% women in the organization. Let me remind all people who are connected here, the banking sector average is 25%. The only way you can make a dent is that the set of people that come into your organization stay with you, and that entry pool becomes wider and wider as the time goes by in life. There are, one should not have unlimited battles to fight. One should pick the battles one wants to fight. And as far as I'm concerned, this is an area in which I would like it very much that HDFC Bank becomes a leading organization.